It's Raurii. Today, trading cardio time. It's been 30 minutes since I started the cardio time. I'm walking. Yeah, it's Sunday here in Polynesia. It's 18, 18 p.m. 6 p.m. guys. And I'm walking, walking, and walking, guys. I'm just walking, walking. Hi, hi. Welcome on the live. Hey guys, thank you. 9 person on the live. 9 people doing my training, guys. I'm walking. And thank you for the 11,000 subscribers. So cool, guys. Let's watch my walking. Yo, guys. Oh, someone comment. Uh, Hi, Jose. How are you, man? Teresa, cool, bro. Uh, he's a nice man. Thank you, Mike. You're a nice person too. Hey, don't be mean, Teresa. Gamer, what mean Casio gamer? It's Spanish? Thank you, Daniel. Thank you. Hey, we got Naruto on the live, guys. I love Naruto, bro. Naruto was out when I was a young man, when I was a child. I was wearing the Konoha bandana at school when I was young. Good old times. Gamer, thank you so much. Patrick Star. Good job. Thank you, Diesel. Thank you so much, bro. I hate when my phone autocorrect my sentence. What happened? What, bro? Oh, damn it. heard some savage dog. I gotta be careful, guys, because I'm training at the forest. I don't want them to bite me. You can hear the dog. Oh shit. Wait, I gotta take some wood if they come here. Fuck. To protect myself. I gotta take some wood. Damn it. That's not wolf, guys. We don't have wolf in Polynesia. Big. A big. Gotta take a big wood if they attack me. Yes. If they attack me, I hit them. The fuck? Why are there savage dog? Damn it, bro. What? Davy, what happened when the fossé? The lettuce was... The fossé was running and the tomato was trying to catch him. Even if I don't speak English, I got you, man. Nice joke. Kazuki, subscribe. Maruru, Kazuki. Maruru means thank you in Polynesian. You are Ren Ronaldo. Thank you, bro. Inyo the hater. Ah, don't worry, guys. I don't care. That's the game of the internet. Some people like what you do, and some people don't like you. It's 9 p.m. Go to bed now, bro. In Polynesia, it's 6 p.m. and 10 minutes in Polynesia. I got my wood if the savage dog in the forest attacked. Is this in Hawaii? No, in Tahiti. If you want Hawaii, guys, the island is the island of the American and Tahiti. We are cousin of Hawaii. We are Polynesian too. But in Tahiti is the island of the France. The French, guys. So in Tahiti we speak French. Vito, t'es là, Vito? Cool. T'es au boulot? Vito is a friend. We play Fortnite since 2018 together. Or 2017, I don't remember. Wolf. Don't worry, there's no wolf in Polynesia. Whoa, if there was wolf, I will not training here, bro. But there's some savage dog. Gotta be careful. I'm glad you're working out. Thank you, Kiehana. Thank you. Hey, nice name, Kiehana. It's like African or Polynesian name. Is this Hawaii? Tahiti, bro. Tahiti. Throw the key away. To this. Throw the key away. I think it's throw the key, you know. Get the fuck out there, bro. Thank you, David. Yeah, there's no... I don't hear the dog anymore, guys. I think they're gone. Yes. But if there's the dog, guys, I leave here, I run. No, I don't run, because if you run, the dog will chase you. It's the angst. Puis c'est quoi ces kills? On se connaît dans un épisode de Ghost. Et bro, il y a plein de chiens sauvages dans la montagne, hein. Vous savez, j'ai pris le bois. On sait jamais. Are you Islander? Sorry, Fabi. Yes, Kazuki. I'm Polynesian, huh? Islander. Islander of Tahiti. The islander where the island where we speak French. Not like in Hawaii, they speak English. Man is out. He putting in the work. Keep it up. Hey, man, thank you, Wallace. What was that in the forest? Sauvage dog, guys. Sauvage dog. Don't worry, we don't have wolf in Polynesia. It's tropical. Wolf can't live here. They're gonna sweat. Even, you know, guys, even in Tahiti, even snake die here because when people in boat throw their snake or the scorpion, sometimes they survive in Polynesia. Sometimes we find scorpion at the beach, you know, but snakes, many snakes were thrown in the nature here, but they die. It's too hot here in Polynesia, guys. Bubble vest, of course, bro. Amen, bro. Humble yourself before God. Resist the devil and he will flee from you. Thank you, Saint. You know, here in Polynesia, our ancestors have many gods. You know, we have the gods of war, we have the gods of food, we have many gods, guys. But then friends come and we call that the Evangel. And now we have the same religion as everybody else, you know. Here we got Muslim, we got I don't know how to say in English, Catholic, a lot of religion now. But our ancestors believe in our own Polynesian God. Bro, they can have rabbis. Sorry, Davey, I don't understand. What is rabbis, guys? Wait, guys, I put my phone down and I walk so you can see me walk. So you can see me if there's a wolf, sauvage dog, they're coming. Well, guys, thank you for watching the live. It was a pleasure to speak with you, but I gotta go. I don't feel safe. I hear too many sauvage dogs in the forest. Yes, but don't worry, I got my woods to fight them. So thank you guys for the likes. Thank you for watching the live. That was so cool. Maru everyone. Thank you so much. And see you next time. All right. Bye, everybody.